Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 5. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Mr. Speaker, Sir, I thank all the honorable members who have taken part in this discussion and given their good suggestions on the electoral reforms. Stop. Sir, this bill was first presented in 1985 when the Punjab elections were held. Stop. Again, an ordinance was issued and it was allowed to lapse in 1991. Stop. The then Minister for Law and Justice Shri Goswami wanted a detailed electoral reforms bill. Stop. He appointed a group under his chairmanship who had gone certainly deep into the matter. Stop. This group also discussed this matter, which is a part of the bill that is pending before the other house. Stop. It was prepared in 1991 by him. Stop. Again, the Election Commission discussed this with all the political leaders and they had come to the decision that it should be passed. Stop. The government issued the ordinance. Stop. Because of holding of the Punjab elections, there was no way for us except to go in for this ordinance. Stop. In the recent elections, the violence has taken the lives of so many people. Stop. Practice this dictation regularly. Comment your required speed and subscribe for daily English Shorthand practice.